How to check loan status in Barclays app. First of all, open the Barclays app on your device and log in securely using your fingerprint, face recognition, or passcode. Once you are logged in, you will see your main account overview on the home screen. Next, tap on the More option at the bottom right corner of your screen to access additional features. From the menu, select Manage Accounts to see details related to your accounts and loans. Here you will find your loan listed if you have an active loan with Barclays. Tap on your loan account to check the current loan status, including outstanding balance, repayment schedule, and recent transactions. You can review payment history and stay updated on any important information related to your loan. Using the Barclays app makes it easy and convenient to keep track of your loan status anytime without needing to visit a branch or call customer service. Now you know how to check your loan status in the Barclays app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.